filled with love. And this Viraha Bhava is there, feeling of pains, separation is there. And so this is chief result of this chanting of holy name. If you chant offenselessly, then it's get prema. Now this Sadhyavastu, the ultimate thing, prema is coming out. Because the whole heart is filled with prema. You understand? So it's coming out, chanting this holy name. Unnata Ujjvala Rasa. Internally and externally. You understand? Internally, internal and external. Externally, there is separation. Internally, there is union. This is viraha. You understand? This is viraha. Externally separation, but internally there is union. That is there. And this is expressed through chanting of this holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. You'll find these both things are there, union and separation. And chanting of this holy name. Both are there. Union and separation. Externally separation, internally union. The heart. This is what. In this mood, Mahaprabhu chants. You understand? In this mood, Mahaprabhu chants. This name should not come only from the lips. It should come out the core of the heart. Unless you have that mood, that love in your heart, how it will come out? That Mahaprabhu status. So we say, Narottam Das Thakur says, Gauranga bolite hobe ulaka sariro. Gauranga bolite hobe ulaka sariro. Gauranga bolite hobe ulaka sariro. So utter name of Gauranga, you understand? Your whole body will be enchanted, ecstatic. You understand? Hairs from the body will be erected. You understand? Why? Why? Keno? Hari Hari bolite nayan bahedira. Who is Hari himself? The chanting name of Hari sheds tears, feeling that prema. That is Madha. So if you utter name of Gauranga, then that bhav, that mood, that ecstasy of Krishna prema will come. Because he's vomiting it. You understand? Huh? Nayanangaladasrudharaya badanangadgadaruddhaya gira Pulakairnichitairvapu kadatavanam grahani bhavishyati. Mahaprabhu teaches this thing. Huh? Oh Lord, when the day will come by chanting your holy name, the tears will roll down from my eyes like torrential rains. Huh? My voice will be choked up with ecstasy. Huh? Whole body will be chanted. Hairs on the body will be raised. Ecstasy. When? You understand? Mahaprabhu, that way. Chanting. You follow? This is the mood. Chanting, that Mahaprabhu is chanting. So I was Because here is two things simultaneously: union and separation. Externally there is union, separation. Internally there is union. This Premanama Sankirtana, this is known as Premanama Sankirtana. It is not mere Nama Sankirtana. Adjective is there. Prema is adjective to Nama Sankirtana. You follow? Premanama Sankirtana. This should be chanted with prem, that move, that love. That Mahaprabhu Sankirtana. Gaurangi Kalia, Misala Hoya, Gaurangi Soroso Velo, Kalia Dhakia, Apapa Hoya, Nijo Rupa Prakashno. Mahaprabhu sings nice song. Gaurangi and Kalia. Kalia means black, Syama. Gaurangi is Radha, Misal. They combined together. That is Gauranga. Isn't it? Radha and Krishna. Combination of Radha and Krishna is Gauranga. The black is Shiva remains inside. And this molten golden you comes out. Do you understand? That is what says. That is Gaura Rupa. Navadipe asi Gaura Rupa asi Gonera Sohite Nache. He appears in Navadipa, that Gaura, with all his associates with devotees, chanting this holy name, dances. Do you understand? Dances. Do you follow? That we sing. Arunodaya Kirtan? Yeah. Kuddila Aruna? Bolo, bolo. Bolo. Yes. Bolo. Gela Nagar Braje. Do you understand? Tathai tathai bajale gol, ghana ghana tai dhanjer roll. Premi dhala dhala sona ranga. Sarne nutura bai. Do you follow? Nice song, He goes, Nagar Sankirtan with the devotees, Khol kartal, tathai bajale khol. Ghana ghana tai dhanjer, premi dhala dhala. With ecstatic love, that golden body just swinging like that. You understand? Sarane nupur bhaj, in tinkling. So it's tinkling sound, that ornament is that. So nupur, yes, put on. And that tinkling sound is coming. You understand? Dullabha manava deho, aya kikara bhavana keho. Epe na bhajile dasada sutto sarame padibe. What are you doing? Getting such rarely achieved human body? You shouldn't think of seriously. If you want to do this bhajan of Jasoda Sutta, the son of Jasoda Mata, want to do it, bhajan, name bhajan of Jasoda Sutta, then ultimately you have to suffer so much. Go to hell and suffer lots. You understand? জীবন অনিত্য দান সার তাহে নানাবিধ বিপদ ভার নামাশ্রয় করি যতনে তুমি থাকো আপনাকা. Any moment this body will be finished, death will come. So many dangers are there. So many problems are there. Every step there is danger and problem here in this material world. You understand? You should understand this platform. Material platform is so nasty platform, miserable platform. So I tell you, I am your only well-wishing friend. Completely surrender unto this holy name and engage yourself in the loving service of Krishna. Then you are saved. You understand? Krishna Nama Sudha Koriya Gan Judao Bhakoti Vinoda Pran Nam Bina Kichu Nahi Kwa. Bhakti Vinod Thakur said. You taste this nectarian mellow coming out from this holy name, sweet name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare. You taste this mellow and be happy and make me happy also. Bhakti Vinod Thakur says, you become happy and make me happy also. You understand? Naam bina kichu nahi ko ar chaudav. In this 14th planetary system, there is nothing but this holy name. Nothing, nothing. Everything. Therefore, that is says. Mahaprabhu was chanting and he was becoming ecstatic and dancing. সে রূপরতনে যে দেখে নয়নে সে কি পরাণেতে বাঁচছে? That Mahajan says, if someone is very fortunate and sees that form of Gauranga, ecstatic form, you understand? If he has gotten that vision, sees it, can he survive? That means no material survival. You go to that Golok Vrindavan and survive there, not here. Se nritya, se prema, se varana hema, se sab sangya sone, dekhilo noyone tokhono jejone se ananda sei jane. One who is there, who was there at that time when Mahaprabhu was here chanting and dancing with his associates, devotees. One was seen that dancing, was seen that ecstasy of love, prema. One was seen that the complexion of, bodily complexion of Gauranga Mahaprabhu like golden, molten gold. One who has gotten a chance to associate with such devotees, only he knows what sort of mellow it is, how releasing it is, how nectarian it is, how sweet it is. Only he knows. Cannot be expressed through words. You understand? That is it. And Mahaprabhu was feeling ecstasy, dancing. Do you understand? Sometimes it was unconscious. His body is stretched out so long. Is all this, what to say? His joints are become loose. Do you understand? And the blood comes out from each pore of the hair and the body. Such ecstasy. Asru pichakari pride. Do you understand? What you say? It's got what you say. Syringe. It's coming out. Pitch. Do you understand? রক্ত ধারা ব্যাপে অশ্রু পিচকারি পায় বুঝি প্রেমরস বয়া সরস কুচি বহিয়া যায় মণিমুক্তা যথা অনুভব তথা সুভগ সোনার গায় golden body. From golden body, blood is coming out. It's poor. Here. This is ecstasy. This is prayer. Chanting Hare Krishna. Mahaprabhu is feeling such ecstasy, releasing that mellow. Do you understand? Mellow. This is Premanam Sankirtana. Chaitanya Mukhadgirna Hare Krishna Ti Varnaka Machayanti Jagat Premni Vijayatam Tadapaya. These names, Premanam, names with love coming out just through the core of his heart, through his mouth. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Potent and filled with the prema, love. And it is coming, that love is coming like an inundation and inundates the whole world. Whole world. You understand? Inundates the whole world. Those who are fortunate, Very fortunate. They inundate themselves, drown themselves. This thought, this inundation of love is very fortunate. Those who don't drown themselves, what is that? So unfortunate. They follow. They are so unfortunate. Those who cannot inundate themselves. The thought is coming, inundation is coming, but such unfortunate fellows, they're running away. They're running away. You understand? Right? Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad has said that. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad said that thing, Chaitanya Chandramrita. Chaitanya Chandramrita says, Avatirne Gaurachandre Vistirne Prema Sagari Suprakaşita Ratna Go Jo Dina Dina Evasa Avatirne Gaurachandre Vistirne Prema Sagari Jena Majjanti Majjanti Te Mahanartha Sagari Prasarita Mahaprema Piyusa Rasa Sagari Chaitanya Chandra Prakata Je Dina Dina Evasa. When Mahaprabhu appeared here, do you understand? Mahaprabhu appeared here. He brought this Golakher Premadhan. Through chanting this holy name, Hare Krishna, he brought from Golaka, Vrindavan, this prema, this the asset, invaluable asset, transcendental asset. It is not available here in this material world. He brought it from there and made the whole world inundated with that flood of love through chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. The golden opportunity, rare opportunity. That the people of Kali Yuga, most degraded, sinful persons, they cannot get it. They have no right to get it. But Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully merciful, magnanimous, munificent. He got it for you, and making the whole world inundated with that flow of love, inundation of love. But one is most unfortunate. He doesn't take this opportunity. He doesn't drown himself in this inundation. He is most unfortunate. Bhagya. Do you understand? If someone will never inundate, someone will never drown himself in this inundation of pain, he must be drowned in the ocean of anarthas infinitely. Isn't it? Anartha saga. Mahaprabhu is distributing it. Here he said distributing. Very important. This amruta, the nectarian, sweet nectarian fruit, prema phala, fruit of love, is distributing throughout the world, indiscriminately distributing to everybody. Someone is most unfortunate. He cannot have it, he cannot taste it. He's Mahamuda, most rascal he is. He's most rascal, most unfortunate. There's no doubt in it. Isn't it? That Gaudhananda Saraswati Pa said. So, all Mahada, they have said. Avatara Sara Gora Avatar. Gora Avatar, the incarnation, Gauranga incarnation of the best type incarnation. Because he gave freely, indiscriminately, most confidential, most hidden, free. You understand? No incarnation has given it. Avatar, Sara Gora Avatar. हाँ, क्यों ना भजन उतारे, क्यों ना भजन उतारे? Why are you not doing bhajan of Gauranga? Huh? Such most merciful incarnation, wonderfully merciful, wonderful, magnanimous, wonderfully munificent incarnation. Such rascal. Huh? Kori nire basa nagoy nagoy pyas. You are to say there is void. Water, water everywhere. But not a drop to drink. Not a drop to drink. You're dying out of thirst. You're amidst water. You cannot get a drop to drink and dying. Such fool you are. Huh? Kori nire basa na jay pyaso. Apuna karo. Huh? You are among us. One thing. Huh? Midst water. Amidst that nectarian flow, inundation still. You are so unfortunate, so rascal. You cannot get a drop. Huh? Inundating yourself in the ocean of unearths. Such fool you are. Rascal, stupid you are. Take this opportunity. Have it. You understand? Never get any more. Not in all Kali Yuga. This is special Kali Yuga. Mahaprabhu has come. You understand? Never comes in each Kali Yuga. No, no, no. Never gets. When he himself comes once in a kalpa in one Kali Yuga, he gives pain. So you are so fortunate you have taken part in this Kali Yuga. Huh? But you are not availing this opportunity. Golden opportunity. It has come to you. So rascal, stupid you are. Unfortunate you are. Be nice. I am just an instrument. Hello. You have played in that way. Then that tune would have come out. That tune would have come out. Right. Hari bol. No, will not see. No, Hari hai. Yes.
Envy is also an emanation of Krishna.
Hmm?
Envy is Krishna. To be able to see everything as emanation of Krishna.
Yes.
But envy, we cannot see that. Envy in myself and envy in around. Envy.
What's that? Envy.
Envy.
There is no envy in Krishna.
No. See everything as an emanation of Krishna. When there is so much envy around here in the material world, how are we to see envy as emanation? As
One who sees envy cannot see Krishna. Cannot see Krishna. You understand? Maya is also one of his energies, but external. So now. Yes?
So we're not to see envy in anybody.
No. Then you cannot see Krishna. You cannot understand Krishna. You cannot understand his teachings. You should understand if you see envy or you become envious. Nirmasranang sadam vedyam. Second verse of Bhagavatam says this thing. Huh? Isn't it? Huh? Dharma prajita kaita vatro nirmasranang sadam vedyam. Read Bhagavatam. Nirmatsar means non-envious. Those who are non-envious, such devotees can understand this dharma tattva. Do you follow Manjari? Ah? To follow Manjari. Only he or she can understand this Bhagavad Dharma tattva, who is non-envious. Nirmasana, Satan, such devotee Vaishnava only can understand. If becoming Vaishnava becomes envious, no.
Sometimes in America, preaching places which are very, very horrible. People are very envious of Krishna.
Yeah.
Now, how am I to transcend that and see them as not envious at all? It's very difficult.
You don't see. You should not see. Let them see. They are envious. But pray to Mahaprabhu. Will kill that demoniac attitude. That is demoniac attitude. Demons are envious. Mahaprabhu kills it. Do you understand? That is in their heart.
But I'm not supposed to see that attitude.
You should not see. You should not see. And pray to Mahaprabhu. Pray to Nityananda. Very, very merciful. Let them kill their demoniac activities. Let demons become devotees. Yes.
Jaga Mada.
Yes. Jagai Mama.
Yesterday, I asked you a question, and Raghunath Prabhu asked me to ask you again because he thinks that you didn't understand what I asked. And it's just, since I came to the movement, I've asked every devotee this. And it's because the Maha Mantra is so, so powerful that it's possible that one day the no more souls will be attracted by Maya ever again. Never again.
No, if you develop taste for this nectarian sweet name, never again.
No, but no more souls ever. It can be that.
No more. No.
And the material world will be empty. There'll be no more souls ever. No more Kali Yuga. No more. Finish.
Why there will be a prison house? If nobody will commit any crime, why there will be a prison house?
So there'll be no more prison housing?
The king or government will wipe out. No prison house. Nobody is committing any crime. All are very nice.
And that can be. That can be.
Yes, the Vaishnava, like Vasudeva Datta, he has said like that. And Mahaprabhu says, you are Prahlad. Prahlad has said, Vasudeva Datta says, yes. What harm is there? Huh? Krishna is so great. Raj Rajeshwar, emperor of the emperors, isn't it? Krishna Raj Rajeshwar, emperor of the emperors. Is emperor there. In spiritual world. And the king, the emperor has everything. Good and bad. He has innumerable Surabhi cows, isn't it? Giving such nectarian, sweet milk. Immensely. Also, he has kept many goats, innumerable goats also. That is Maya. If one goat dies, is there any harm to him? Loss to him? Only one goat dies. One goat. Do you follow me what I say?
But one day there'll be no more goats dying.
You understand me, Manjari? He has many goats, Chagis, she goats. Maya is one illusory Brahmand or world is one of the she goat. If one devotee like you, very dear Mahaprabhu, can deliver the one world, one material planet goes to Vaikuntha, then one she goat dies. One she goat only dies. Is there any loss to him? Do you follow me what I say? Innumerable universes are there. If one is elevated, what loss is there? It's better. Very good. You follow one journey? Try to understand it. Very deep. Very deep. Follow.
Will there always be goats?
Huh?
Will there always be goats?
Goat means she goat. What is that? That is illusory world. And that emperor Krishna, who is the emperor of all emperors, many innumerable she goats. Only one she goat dies. That means if one planet, earthly planet, is elevated to spiritual world, one she goat dies, only one. So what loss is there? Do you understand? Try to understand.
So one day there'll be no more goats.
Yes,
And now
you,
finish. No more of this horrible
you do it.
nightmare. Right?
You deliver.
No repetition
You
again.
deliver the whole material world, not the whole creation, material creation. You deliver.
No.
Chanting holy name, you become fast. Get prema, be ecstatic, get Krishna, and they give Krishna. You get Krishna first and give them. That's all right. Huh? What do you say, Manjari?
Yes, I need to get prema first.
Have you gotten Krishna?
Gopala.
Huh? You have gotten? Oh, yes, he has gotten.
Gopal.
Gopal. Oh. Don't lose Gopal. Take care of him very nicely.
He wants very much to come and see you.
Huh?
He wants very much to come and see you.
Aye.
He wants to come and see you.
He will come to see. All right.
Come.
Yes, yes, yes.
I'll bring him.
Pray to Gopal for me, such degraded fallen soul.
That's not why he wants to come and see you.
Let him shower his mercy on me. Manjari, pray for me. Pray to your Gopal. You see, Manjari. For me, such degraded fallen soul, you see. I am. Yes.
Father doesn't think so.
Very good. That very good. You first get. Don't lose her. Lose Gopal. Keep him always. Do you understand? He's very greedy fellow. Do you know? He's very greedy. Yes. He's greedy of that love. Do you understand? That mellow. That mellow coming out, Prem Rosh. You always feed him that. So he'll not leave you. If you won't feed him sauce, he may want to leave you. Don't leave him. Take care of him nicely, as Radharani was taking care of. Is taking care of, or Jasoda Mata is taking care of Gopal. Do you follow, Manjari? Yes. You should take care of him so nicely. Huh? Feeding him what he wants, what he's greedy of. He's greedy of. Huh? Premrose. That is Premrose. Mellow of that love. Then he'll never leave you. Wherever you go, he will follow. As the calf follows the cow, calf follows the cow. Do you understand? And Gopal will follow you. Oh, my mother.
He was happy to go on parikrama in Navadvip. He went
Acha.
everywhere.
Oh, very
And everybody
nice.
saw him.
Yes, very nice. Yes. Mm.
Like, get back in the Ganges.
Oh, very nice. Take care of Gopal very nicely. Give him every moment, give him pleasure. Give him pleasure, happiness. Yes.
You know that song that Lord Chaitanya sang, his favorite song?
Nama Krishna, huh?
Gopala Govinda Ram
Sri Madhusudan, huh?
Tamarana Mohana.
Yes.
Those are names of Gopala.
Yes, names of Gopal, names of Krishna, all
He's
the
the
names of
cutest.
Krishna. Cupid, yes. Cupid. Madan Mohan, yes.
Talk about him.
Madan Mohan, Vrindavan, Aprakruta, Nabina Madana. Sridhar Chaitanya. He is Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, he is transcendental Cupid, not material Cupid. Transcendental Cupid, ever fresh, ever young, ever new, never grows old. Such Cupid is. Yes,
When I leave my body, what will happen to him?
definitely.
Will he come with me?
If you drag me, if you drag me, then I may go. I'm such a fallen, conditioned, most degraded soul. How can I get? If you shower your mercy on me and pray to Gopal to shower his mercy on me, then I may be able to go, to follow you. Do you understand, Manjari? Try and offer prayer for me, Manjari. Yes.
The father doesn't think I need to pray.
No, you are very unkind, so cruel to me. You are so cruel to me, unkind to me. Says you'll never pray for me. What shall I do? বৈষ্ণবের নিবেদনে কৃষ্ণ দয়াময় এ হেন পামর প্রতি হইবেন সদয় মানে বৈষ্ণব is their devotee who has bound him in his or her heart with the rope of love. Such a Vaishnava will pray for me, such degraded, most degraded soul as I am. Then such merciful Gopal Krishna, you understand, will think of me. You understand? And he'll be merciful to me. Otherwise, how he'll be merciful to me?
Will you pray for Gopala?
You pray for me. You have gotten Gopal, I have not gotten. You have to pray. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Manjari. Thank you.